Welcome to our lecture online. We get some very interesting requests from our viewers, and here we had a mixture problem that is something I've never seen before. And so therefore I thought, hey, it would be a really good idea to do a video on it. And so the problem reads as follows. It says if a 30% solution is mixed with a 60% solution and 10 kilograms of a 0% solution, you obtain a 36% solution. But if they are mixed with a 10 kilogram of 50% solution, you obtain a 41% solution. How much of each solution are you mixing? Yep, how much of each solution are you mixing? So the interesting part of this particular problem is they don't tell you how much of the 30% solution you get, how much of the 60% solution, or how much of the final solution. You only are told that you get 10 kilograms of the 0% solution, and in the second go around 10 kilograms of the 50% solution. So at first it almost seemed like it was not possible to do this problem because there were just simply too many unknowns. But since there were two types of solutions being generated, I began to think about perhaps it's a two equation, two unknown type of problem. So let's see if we can make that happen. The way to do that is to draw some boxes. We draw a box for each of these solutions that are added. So since there's three solutions added together, we're going to need three boxes. And then we have an equal sign because you add the three solutions together and then you get the final solution. And of course we're going to need to do that twice because we're doing that in two different ways. So again, three boxes added together representing the three solutions that are being mixed, and that ends up with a final solution. So in each box you need to put in two things: the percent of the solution and the total amount of the solution. So let's go one at a time and see what we have. So we have a 30% solution. So we write 30%, but we don't know how much we have, so we'll just write x. X for unknown quantity of the 30% solution. Oop, our little kitty cat is over here. Then for the second box, we have a 60% solution, and we don't know how much, so we'll call that y. So we already have two unknowns here. And then finally, we have a third solution. This is a 0% solution, but they do tell us how much. It's 10 kilograms. And then we end up with a 36% solution, and the total amount of the total solution will be x plus y plus 10. And let's not just write the kilograms just to keep it clean and easy to work with. Okay, then we have the second go around. Again, we have the 30% solution, and we use x amount of that. 60% solution, we use the y amount of that. And then the third solution now is a 50% solution, and we use 10 kilograms of that, and we end up with a 41% solution, and the total amount is still going to be x plus y plus 10. Now, can we make an equation out of that? So the idea is that you multiply the percent of the, well, whatever it is that's in the solution that we want to keep track of, times the amount that we have. So we have 0.30 times x plus 0.60 times y plus 0 times 10 is equal to 0.36 times x plus y plus 10. We do the same for the second go around. So we have 0.30 times x plus 0.60 times y plus 0.50 times 10 is equal to 0.41 times x plus y plus 10. And notice we now have two equations and two unknowns. We just need to clean them up a little bit. The first thing we probably want to do is to multiply everything by 100 to get rid of the decimals. And of course, 0 times 10, that's simply 0, so we could just get rid of that. So our first equation becomes 30x plus 60y plus 0 equals, that would be 36 times x plus 36 times y plus 36 times 10 would be 360. So we multiply both sides by 100, and then we get rid of the parentheses. We do the same for the second equation. We get 30 times x plus 60 times y plus 50 times 10 would be plus 500 is equal to 41x plus 41y plus 410. So those are the two equations. Now, of course, we want to combine like terms to make it simpler. So let's move over here. And the first equation, it would be 30x minus 36x. So we have minus 6x. 60y minus 36y, that would be plus 24y, would be equal to 360. And the second equation, that would be 30x minus 41x, that would be minus 11x. 60y minus 41, that would be plus 19y, is equal to 500, moving the other side, that would be minus 500, that would be minus 90. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first equation, divide both sides by 6. So this equation becomes minus x, or actually, what I'm going to do is, go ahead and divide by a minus 6. So multiply that times a 1 over 6. So that this becomes a minus x plus 4y equals to 60. So now I end up with these two equations that I need to solve simultaneously. So to simplify that, I just divide everything by 6. If I multiply this one by a negative 11, then if I add those two together, I get rid of the x's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by a negative 11. So when I do that, the top equation is still minus 11x plus 19y equals minus 90, but the second equation becomes 11x minus 11 times this is minus 44y is equal to minus this times this, which gives me a minus 660. And now I can add those together. The x's drop out. On the y's, I have, let's say that looks like a 25. Negative 25y is equal to that would be a minus 750. If I divide both sides by negative 25, I get y is equal to 30. So y is equal to 30. Then, let's see here, if I take this equation, I can probably very easily solve this equation for x. So here I end up with minus x plus 4y is equal to a positive 60. But I know what y is equal to. Y is equal to 30. So minus x plus 4 times 30 is equal to 60. And moving over here, continuing, I get minus x is equal to 60, and then minus 120, or minus x equals minus 60, or x equals to 60. So the solution is that we have x 60 kilograms of the 30% solution, and we have 30 kilograms of the 60% solution. Same over here, 60 kilograms of the 30% and 30 kilograms of the 60% solution to end up with 30 plus 60 plus 10, or 100 kilograms of the 36% solution, or 100 kilograms of the 41% solution. So amazingly enough, with as little as they've given us, we still can solve the problem. And that is how it's done.